This is the voiceover for the MCQ in Acoustics series. Included topic in the Communications Engineering ECE Board Exam. A PinoyBIX MCQ, quiz, and reviewers. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be always updated to my new video. Thank you in advance. 176. The sound pressure level is increased by blank dB if the pressure is doubled. A3, B4, C5, D6. Answer, D6 dB. 177. The sound pressure level is increased by blank dB if the intensity is doubled. A3, B4, C5, D6. Answer, A3 dB. 178. If four identical sounds are added, what is the increase in level in dB? A3, B4, C5, D6. Answer, D6 dB. 179. The transmission of sound from one room to an adjacent room, via common walls, floors or ceilings. A. Flanking transmission. B. Reflection. C. Refraction. D. Reverberation. Answer, A. Flanking transmission. 180. Blank is the continuing presence of an audible sound after the sound source has stopped. A. Flutter echo. B. Sound concentration. C. Sound shadow. D. Reverberation. Answer, D. Reverberation. 181. Required time for any sound to decay to 60 dB. A. Echo time. B. Reverberation time. C. Delay time. D. Transient time. Answer, B. Reverberation time. 182. A room containing relatively little sound absorption. A. Dead room. B. Anechoic room. C. Live room. D. Free field. Answer, C. Live room. 183. A room in which the walls offer essentially 100% absorption, therefore simulating free field conditions. A. Dead room. B. Anechoic room. C. Live room. D. Closed room. Answer, B. Anechoic room. 184. Calculate the reverberation time of the room, which has a volume of 8,700 cubic feet and total sound absorption 140 sevens. A. 0.3 seconds. B. 3.5 seconds. C. 3 seconds. D. 0.53 seconds. Answer, C. 3 seconds. 185. It is an audio transducer that converts acoustic pressure in air into its equivalent electrical impulses. A. Loudspeaker. B. Amplifier. C. Baffle. D. Microphone. Answer, D. Microphone. 186. Blank is a pressure type microphone with permanent coil as a transducing element. A. Dynamic. B. Condenser. C. Magnetic. D. Carbon. Answer, A. Dynamic. 187. A microphone which has an internal impedance of 25 kilo ohms is blank type. A. High impedance. B. Low impedance. C. Dynamic. D. Magnetic. Answer, A. High impedance. 188. A microphone that uses the piezoelectric effect. A. Dynamic. B. Condenser. C. Crystal. D. Carbon. Answer, C crystal. 189 blank is a type of loudspeaker driver with an effective diameter of 5 inches used at mid-range audio frequency. A tweeter, B woofer, C mid-range, D A or C. Answer, C mid-range. 190 blank is measure of how much sound is produced from the electrical signal. A sensitivity, B distortion, C efficiency, D frequency response. Answer, C efficiency. 191 it describes the output of a microphone over a range of frequencies. A directivity, B sensitivity, C frequency response, D all of the above. Answer, C frequency response. 192 a loudspeaker radiates an acoustic power of 1 milliwatts if the electrical input is 10 watts. What is its rated efficiency? A-10 dB, B-20 dB, C-30 dB, D-40 dB. Answer, D-40 dB. 193 an amplifier can deliver 100 W to a loudspeaker. If the rated efficiency of the loudspeaker is -60 dB. What is the maximum intensity 300 feet from it? A-10 dB, B-20 dB, C-30 dB, D-40 dB. Answer, C-30 dB. 194 speaker is a device that A converts sound waves into current and voltage, B converts current variations into sound waves, C converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, D converts electrical energy to electromagnetic energy. Answer, B converts current variations into sound waves. 195 the impedance of most drivers is about blank ohms at their resonant frequency. A4, B6, C8, D10. Answer, C8 ohms. 196 it is a transducer used to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. A microphone, B baffle, C magnetic assemble, D driver. Answer, D driver. 197 it is an enclosure used to prevent front and back wave cancellation. A loudspeaker, B driver, C baffle, D frame. Answer, C baffle. 198 a circuit that divides the frequency components into separate bands in order to have individual feeds to the different drivers. A suspension system, B dividing network, C magnet assembly, D panel board. Answer, B dividing network. 199 blank is early reflection of sound. A echo, B pure sound, C reverberation, D intelligible sound. Answer, A echo. 200 noise reduction system used for film sound in movie. A Dolby, B DBX, C DBA, D DBK. Answer, A Dolby.